Hi, I'm Andrew Nisley with Keller Williams Utah Realtors. The things I like about Fearless Agent Coaching is that you really do have a value proposition that's unique. You're going to win business because other agents just can't compete with you. Also, working with Fearless Agent, I went from working 24/7, 7 days a week, to now I work 9 to 5 and I have weekends off. So not only do you get better at making money, but you also get better at the entire business and your schedule. If you have any doubts about calling Bob, I personally I found out about Bob and I actually waited almost a year before I called him. Huge mistake. If you're on the fence, make the phone call.